Hi, everyone. My name is Brian Huff. I'm the photographer and owner here at Huff Photo Studios. If you've been around for a while, you've seen our YouTube channel here, and if you followed us for any amount of time, you've seen that photography and business has gone through quite a few changes in the last 18 years. I'm actually working now to shift more toward the fashion industry, and that doesn't mean that I'm going to be leaving behind a lot of the other stuff that I've been doing. In the last 2 years, you've seen I've been doing Comic Con work, cosplay work, and that's still going to be a part of what I do. Although it may be a smaller part, it's definitely going to remain part of what we do here at Huff Photo. I've recently gotten back into doing a lot of stuff that I shot pre-COVID, wedding, senior, travel photography has been a lot of fun. If you follow the channel recently, you've seen I was in New York recently for Fashion Week, and I'll be returning to Dallas again to shoot in Dallas and do some more model and talent expo work there. I think I really want to make this video to kind of catch everybody up with what's been going on and where we're headed. We still have the studio here in Tennessee. It's kind of a home base, but getting back to traveling has been something that I've very much enjoyed. I think a lot of us have missed it since COVID. It kind of changed our world. That changed my world pretty dramatically during that time, but we're all bouncing back, I think, as best we can. So I'm working on workshops. There'll be some different levels of these workshops. There will be introductory workshops for folks that just want to get familiar with their camera and learn how to get into that manual mode and take control of all the settings and really begin to create and work with their camera in a way that they feel fits, their creative style and what they imagine they want to create. Looking forward to getting those going. I miss teaching. Years ago, I used to teach high school students that did senior projects for the high schools, and that was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed doing that. So it'll be fun to get back to, I think, doing some workshops and doing some hands-on teaching with cameras and lighting and all kinds of fun stuff like that. Also trying to get back to photography that I used to do that was more hobby-based. I really want to try to keep the fun in it. It's not that I don't enjoy every day that I get a chance to do this awesome job, but I do want to protect myself from burnout, because trust me, it is real. Burnout's a thing. After 12 years of weddings, honestly didn't see myself shooting those again. We were shooting as many as 23 weddings a year, and that can burn you out. I actually see that coming back. As a matter of fact, it already has. Shot a wedding this week out of town. It was great. It was nice to get back into that flow of work. And I think that my work has changed in a way, and equipment has changed in a way that lends itself more to being, I guess, more of what I want it to be able to do. I guess I wouldn't say my photography equipment wouldn't do what I wanted to do in the past. It was definitely more difficult. It was heavier. There was more of it. Now with the designs that have changed in cameras, lighting, wireless, it's really been able to allow me to create a lot more with a lot less. And I think right now, to be honest, maybe not from a business standpoint so much, we're still kind of working on that, but from the standpoint of being a person that loves creating photography, loves learning photography still. 18 years later, I don't know it all. I'll never know it all. That's the great thing. We never have to stop learning. We can keep going in this field as far as we want to go. I think one of the most important things I've realized probably in the last 4 years is you hear a lot of people talk about the secret to photography. I'm here today to tell you the secret to photography. The secret is there is no secret. You can learn anything you want to learn. It's out there. I am proof of that. I'm self-taught. I didn't have photography in school. I've learned everything that I've learned from others and from being lucky enough to have friends that will tolerate being in front of my camera for 3, 4, 5 hours. And sure, they get photos and we have a great time and we make memories while we create those. But in turn, they've given me what a college education I don't even think could give me, a lifetime of learning. And I'm really grateful for that. So yeah, that's kind of where we're headed. Looking forward to getting into more teaching, more shooting, more creating, anything and everything. So you do the same. Get out there, get your camera, start shooting, make mistakes, and enjoy it. I'll see you on the next one.